Welcome to Northern Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Northern Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marbo Gallants 1. My brother, how's it? Fogele Poti, Mane,
Matimba kusuka no block again, no block. Matansuka kule ngove bot. Nitanta wana game.
Mitele draw.
Logo nitala na talang draw. Lesinga ko coach tayin. Ati sukele kutaku la kunga onekangi kitilungisa. La kunga lunga ati tsiki kulungisa sweswo. Logo nangsala hande sweswo. Akuna point leyi feke yi provide serino kutaku wa skota kuta ba penalty. Ayro sungula khoma penalty. Kuna the game leta khoma penalty before. Mayo is our first new player sis. Angena I debut tlhakora. Loko a long nika chance ya akora that goal abana 2 aka first half. Loko tiaka second half maybe atakoma go abana hat trick that ball. My this is so abasukele kutako baba greedy bone khale bari on the team what tirisa that status. I still
Mara loko akore la mitatsaka ne.
Loko serino alokora a hitatsaka but fekele hi switiva kutako a ku na point leyi feke ani as a team that is collective effort. So collective effort loko wena I achieving na mina achieve loko mayo alokora 2 ka first half ivi loko abuya ka second half afika tlumba yin'wanyana yi kora futhi i nge hi tsakini sweswiwa
Achieve hinkwenu.
se sweswiwa hi vulavula so hi ri makhosi swilo swa ku saseka swi herile.
Swery. Asela kwari 7 games.
Boti hi ku landzelelana emanyweni hi manyiwa hi draw sweswiwani a hi kali Chiefs yi nga teka advantage ya ku hina ti-supporters hata a stadium ene hi ta hi in numbers because hi ku ya hi economy Chiefs a hi kali khomini mnotho
Ni vula ku ri va ta va ku mimanyeni Saturday.
no hi nge manyiwi but hi lava ngopfu hala ka tipoyinti tala careful enough story ina sabotage from loko ti outside the country they can go there they can be starved sometimes they can stay too long in the hotels and stuff mistreating mara la kaya la loko ti suka la ti ya Limpopo ti le kaya loko ti suka la ti ya Cape Town ti le kaya ti feke loko ti ri Durban ti le kaya mara loko ti fika kwalano ti feke ti swi tiva ta loko ti ri la kaya ti feke ti performa well na ti supporters ta la kaya hi kota ku reach every game loko ri lawa feke ta ku sweswi ni suka Giyani so na kombela na makhosi hi nga heli mbilu mara coach ya hina yi nga lunghisi ha ku nga onekangi ku ri swilo swa ku saseka swi kota ku famba
Akhenza Poti.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.